Hey Jerome, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting my aunt get me to make you a quick video. I just wanted to do this quickly. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I want to go over some things with you today that's going to help you boost your online presence and be able to boost your business. And at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is made up of anything that's going to be on your front page here. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are going to be all a part of your content. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a front homepage. Within that content, then you want to add in keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. Now, I did input your information on one of our tools that we use. This is called Ahrefs. This is a way to see analytics on your website. So I'm able to then see the trust and strength you have with Google. So I don't know if it's maybe because you have a newer website, but there's really nothing that's showing up for you here. So that's definitely something we want to be able to work on, is getting you some strength and some trust with Google here. Then another thing is keywords. There's no keywords showing up here as well. So that's definitely something that we would need to focus on with your website to be able to figure out what keywords are going to work best for you to be able to implement them into your web page. Also, another thing is backlinks. There's no backlink showing here. So backlinks are very important. And what a backlink is it's one website linking to another website. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. But you got to be careful with those also, because not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some are authoritative. And you definitely want to go after the ones that are more authoritative and that will bring you power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison to somebody that is considered competition in your area. But first, let's go ahead and look over when we Google remodeling companies North Dallas. The first thing that's going to pop up here is the ads, and you're able to see what's at the top of the ads, what their business name is, usually contact us. These are the types of things that you want to definitely be able to generate for yourself as well. When you run ads, we would just get a great landing page depending on the types of ads you want to run, but really you want to make those ads very highly targeted. Now, the next thing that we go into here is called the Google Map Pack. And this is super imperative to come up in. And what this is going to do is going to give you more traffic. 30 to 40% of traffic here goes right to your website, or they give you a call from the map pack. And there are ways to go about increasing your rankings. So making sure you have a ton of reviews, making sure you have everything filled out on your Google business profile, that all 750 words in your About Us section is filled out. Also putting some keywords throughout that About Us section. You also want to be very responsive to reviews and messages, and make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos, and that's all going to be able to help with your relevance overall. Now, another important thing is citations. That is your business name, address, and phone number in things like the Yellow Pages, Yelp. And by going out and giving your information to as many people as possible, and that's going to increase your relevance, and then it also helps with your website as well. Now, when we go further down the list, that's when you come into the organics here. When all of these things come together, that's going to help move you up on the organics list as well. But let's take a look at one of your competitors here that I pulled up, Texas Built Construction. I pulled up their website, and it shows that they have quite a bit of content on the front page, and that gives them an ability to be able to implement more keywords onto that front page. Now, if we go back over to this tool here, we're able to then be able to see their strength and their trust with Google. which is that you are in that DR. And it looks like they have more strength, but they're still working on their trust. But a good thing is they do have 332 backlinks from 65 referring domains. Now, the idea with backlinks is to be able to try to utilize the same backlinks that they have, but we also want to get you at least a minimum of 100 more backlinks to be able to make your website stronger. Now, another thing is they are going off of 237 keywords within their website, and that's generating about 108 organic traffic. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of their keywords here. So you'll be able to see here what the keywords are, what the search volume in that area is, and what position they are for that. So we also want to be able to see what types of keywords that are going to be working best for your website to be able to implement them into your website and start getting you ranking on Google for those ones. Now, once you start getting ranked for that keyword, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site, and then a percentage of that is going to give you a call. Depending on your closing rate, that could turn into a new customer for you. Now, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to listen to this video. I would love to be able to set up a phone appointment with you so we can chat about your business and what is needed for it. And if you're interested in any of these services, we can look into ways to be able to fill in some of the gaps for you. Again, thank you so much for your time, Jerome. I really appreciate it. My name is Brittany, and I hope you have a wonderful day.